And we got across to more breaking news coming in after Rahul Gandhi backed Trump's dead economy remark. Shashi Tharoor has once again distanced himself from Rahul Gandhi's remark. He said, and I quote, "I don't want to comment on what my party leader has said. He has his reasons for saying so. My concern is that our relationship with the United States as a strategic and economic partnership is important for us." Listen into that statement.
To comment on what my own party leader has said. He has his own reasons for saying it. My concern is much more that this relationship with the US as a strategic partnership and as an economic relationship is important for us. We are exporting something like $90 billion worth of goods to America. We can't therefore be in a position where we are going to lose that or have it diminish significantly.
Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज अ डेड इकोनॉमी और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है. क्यों खत्म किया है? अदानी जी की मदद करने के लिए खत्म किया है.
Cutting across to Dipesh Tripathi now joining us live. Dipesh, well, Shashi Tharoor once again trying to take a balancing line, but clearly not supporting Rahul Gandhi there. He said the same even in the past on this very issue, and now once again he distances himself.
Yes, definitely. Shashi Tharoor, when we asked about the tariff which was imposed by the US on India, that is 25%, then Shashi Tharoor took a very balancing stand. He did not support it fully to the Rahul Gandhi, but he did not oppose as well. He said that the total export of the India to the US is 2% of the GDP, but we should explore the other options as well. We should explore the other options like UK and Japan for the export of the goods, because the goods which we are exporting to the US, that same demand of the goods has a huge demand in UK and Japan as well. So we should explore the other markets in the world to balance the export trade of the India. So definitely Shashi Tharoor has taken a different stance from what Rahul Gandhi has said, but not totally different, but he balanced the saying by we should explore the other markets, and he not fully opposed the Trump strategy or India strategy which we are dealing with the Trump right now. Over to you.
All right, Dipesh, many thanks for getting us those details.